Alan Ross, and I'm the managing editor of APC Technologies. We're here at the IRIS ODSR, which is Operator Driven Safety and Reliability Conference in Sarasota, Florida. We're sponsored by IRIS and SDT, and of course APC Technologies. We've done interviews with thought leaders and with practitioners of the operator-driven safety and reliability programs, and just the idea of changing the way we do what we do in maintenance and reliability in the marketplace. There's some fascinating interviews here. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn. Adam, thank you for joining me. Adam and I met on a Zoom call. We were looking for, at IRIS, we were looking for a new director of marketing, and we had, what, 2-3 interviews, and we put you through the gamut to do that. But one of the things I loved about it, Adam, was your passion for the industry, passion for learning, passion to be able to take what you learn in an industry and apply it, but your understanding of digital marketing in today's world. But talk to me a little bit about what the distributor who's not here at this IRIS Distributor Conference, what can they expect from our new marketing director?
Well, number one is support. I have to say that one thing that I think we can initiate here is some sort of communication avenue where the distributors can feel comfortable talking to me about any of the issues they're having with their own business as far as what their presence looks like online, and what IRIS can do to support them in their efforts, not just digitally, but also when it comes to paper, distribution as far as their marketing materials or their leave behinds or ideas for QR codes on business cards. And that'll help supplement any sort of digital that they're doing online, because that would be the traffic they're getting, which hopefully gets them meetings. And when they have the meeting with their potential new partner to help distribute the IRIS products globally, they'll have some sort of, leave behind materials to keep them top of mind.
Okay.
So we'll gain the traffic for the distributor, but at the same time help them stay top of mind with their potential client or partner.
From this conference, I think distributors have to be thinking about where they are in the marketplace, because typically IRIS is represented as a company that produces windows, IR and ultrasound windows. The new 70FB, the new NA, that one, 70B rule.
I know which one you're talking about. I think they do too.
I know.
Yeah.
Used to be a recommendation. Now it's a standard, and the world kind of follows NFPA 70B. Got it out that time.
There it is.
To follow those, and the standard is, let's keep people from dying. You can die, you can get burned very badly, or you can actually suffer an explosion-like thing from arc flash. And there are electricians and operators every day opening up doors. So IRIS windows are great. However, now IRIS is stepping up another level at this conference, and so there's a lot of content that you're going to have to help them watch and learn, and you're going to have we've taped every single presentation, got a lot of interviews that they can listen to about how people are doing that. But talk about what you've learned at this conference and what that means to you. You said number one is support. Number two is understanding what they're going through and helping them raise the bar as IRIS raises the bar.
Yeah, so the complementary products that you're referring to, like thermochromic solutions with Safe Connect, is a great way to have preventative, catastrophes from happening. We have the Safe Connect kit. Have you seen that?
I have seen it, yeah.
And a lot of the distributors that attended the conference ended up taking one home with them, that they can use for display, applications when they're doing some shows, trade shows. So those are readily available to our distributors. We do have great content for that, and information on those kits that they can have access to. If they're interested in getting a kit, they can contact me directly, and I can put them in touch with the right people. On top of that, there's other things we were discussing at the conference that as far as industry related, not just the windows, but getting some sort of data, through the eSentry platform, which is very informative. That's another thing that we have good support on. If they have any or need any information on that, I'd like to get them some marketing materials, some leave behinds. Obviously, the website's getting updated too now to be more user friendly. So there's going to be a portal that we can have the distributors log on to and get the information that they need readily. And for now, while that's being built, they can contact me direct at Iris.
You have an alliance with SDT for ultrasound.
That's exciting.
Hike Micro is here, and they've got some amazing IR cameras. I mean, you guys threw a lot at the distributors that are here, and it's a little bit harder to send it out to the distributors that are not here. They're not going to experience a 3-day conference. So you are the point of contact to help them experience a 3-day conference, my friend.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to that opportunity to actually meet them, not in person, obviously, but through the means of communication now, through Zoom calls and such, we can get well acquainted, and then I can get them the information they need.
This is first conference since pre-COVID. I think next year Iris is going to go back to the regional geographic conferences around the world, so that'll be interesting to see how far things have come. You get when you add it all up, you get 2 to 3 times the attendance when you add them all up, because it's easy, inexpensive for people to be able to come to conference, and maybe they will meet you in person next year.
That'd be fantastic.
Excellent.
Thanks.
Adam, thanks for joining with Iris, and thank you for being our guest.
Thanks, Alan.